Show some of the equipment here.
Yeah,
Besides the chain hoists and grips and things that we use to pull the wire up with, we've got our hand lines, all the equipment it takes to actually build a line, conductors, and those type of things. So all of our training goes from building the lines to also practicing rescue procedures. That's the reason we have the mannequins in here. If someone was to be out on the pole or in a bucket and they were maybe injured or something happened, we have those mannequins in there to represent a person, and we have to go through the rescue procedure to get those folks down. But all this equipment here in our trailer is our hand lines that they have to take up to pull equipment up and everything. We have rubber protective equipment that if you're working near an energized conductors or lines, the hoses and everything that you would use
Tell us a little
for
bit about what those do.
those are actually to cover the lines for folks to be able to go up on a pole in between phases. Those are for incidental contact, but they're to sort of insulate or isolate another energized conductor. You may be working on another one, but you have to maintain proper clearances, and these hoses cover those lines to protect the workers while they're up there. So again, we have what we call hot sticks. These are the sticks that they would use to actually put a line or a riser from a transformer onto a line to connect a transformer. So all this is safety equipment and protective equipment. We also have fall protection devices that are in these boxes here. As far as if they're climbing a pole, they have fall arrest equipment. So we have those in those boxes. And the rest of this equipment is for when we transfer or we convert a new line, we need to add more lines. Then we have these fiberglass arms that we extend those out and pull in new conductors. We also go to your basic equipment up here as far as shovels and tamps and hydraulic tamps and post hole diggers. So where if we do not have a truck and we have to go in somewhere to set a pole and we can't get trucks to it, we can actually go in there and dig those holes and carry those poles in and get that equipment in. So everything you see here is going toward the construction and operation of building and maintaining lines. All of our equipment, such as what we have here, is actually slings that we'd need to hook a transformer on or equipment to pull up the pole. All those have tags on them for the ratings and all that to make sure that they're using the proper equipment and everything on. So quite a bit of equipment. You see this is a 50-foot long trailer, and it's full of everything that it takes to construct and maintain power lines and the equipment they would use out in the field. We do have hard hats here, a few, and some other equipment here. This piece of equipment, that is when you cannot get a truck on a pole to take a transformer up and down the pole. This jib is a fiberglass jib that you can strap this strap around the pole. You can hook a block up here, these ropes that we have, you can hook in that block, and you can actually pull the transformer up with the rope. And so we actually did that yesterday on this pole out here. So again, a lot of equipment out there to help get the job done and do the job safely.